Oh, the lightest of light breezes, but I've got another mate, another noddy bird. Hey, he sits. It's the earliest one I've ever arrived, so there he sits. So anyway, I pulled the camera out because I've got some dolphin-y type things up front. I just want to see what they are. Okay, I didn't see those things again. Might as well just have a look around. A normal afternoon build-up, but never know what you're going to get. Still glossy. We're just sort of trundling along at the moment. There were two triple tails just now. Oh, there's one. There's the one fella. Water's got clean again. And there's some jacks down there as well. And there's all those tails sticking out here. And there he sits. And we might as well have a look at the sunset. There we go. Oh, they're all pretty good. So, and there's the other one. Okay, enough of that shit. And down goes the sun. And of course, slat go the sails because there's nothing. Alright.